have bad news. Your buyers don't want to speak to your salespeople, especially just to see your product. In order to see a software demo at most companies, the buyers need to jump through too many hoops. They fill out a form, they wait a few days, they answer qualifying questions from an SDR, they schedule another intro call with an account executive, and then they finally see the demo weeks later. This antiquated buying process leads to a negative buying experience and increases the time to close. Buyers want to do research, shop, and view your product on their own time. So how do you solve this problem? Interactive demos. An interactive demo is a dynamic, user-driven presentation of a product that allows potential customers to explore its features and functionalities at their own pace, on their own time. And it's not just a fad. Usage of interactive demos on websites has increased by 90% over the past 2 years. And you might be thinking, let's just record a video of the demo and put it on the website. Most videos can be consumed passively, while interactive demos requires engagement and thus leads to a 5x increase in conversions. And speaking of interactive demos, today we're reviewing Storylane. Now, you can start for free at storylane.io. It's important to note that Storylane has 3 types of demos. You have your guided demos, which allows the prospect to explore the product by themselves. You have sandbox demos, which allows your sales team to create a demo environment. And lastly, you have your demo hub. This is a centralized demo collection for faster buyer education. And today I'm going to be reviewing the guided demo. So first, you'll need to download Storylane's Chrome extension to capture your product. In this example, I'm going to create an interactive demo for Pipedrive CRM. All you have to do is hit the Storylane Chrome extension and hit screenshot demo. Now, it's important to note they also have an HTML demo, but in this example, we're gonna do the screenshot one. From there, you'll go through an action or a demo of your desired platform. So in this example, I'm going to create a deal within Pipedrive. Storylane records all of your clicks to help create the interactive demo. Once the demo is completed, you can now create an interactive demo within Storylane. On the right-hand side, you'll find the flow where each click and action takes place. You can start by changing the title, description, and button on the home screen. Also, you can honor your company's brand guidelines by changing the color to match your brand. Next, you'll provide descriptions within each of these hotspots to instruct the viewer on where to click and why. Now, I'm going to continue to do this on each of the hotspots until the demo is complete. You can also add new steps to the flow, like this. Finally, you click save, and you can start using the interactive demo on your site via a link or directly embed it into your website. And once you have enough user data, it will populate within the analytics tab to see how many people actually interacted with your demo, how many have completed it, how many have clicked it, and how many people made it all the way through to a form fill. This will help you prove out the ROI for your interactive demo investment. Storylane is even trusted by companies like Outreach, Clary, and Gong. This build took less than 10 minutes and didn't require any coding. It's made for marketers just like me. Now, to be fair, this example was pretty straightforward and pretty easy to build, but there are a ton of more builds available within the platform. So I highly recommend you checking it out for free with the link in this post.